many people have not been able to appreciate insurance in Kenya, maybe for many reasons, because of maybe not being able to buy insurance. And also on our side, we have not been able to give products that are, that are simple or simply understood by citizens. So this is what we are doing at Geminia. We're trying to simplify our products and giving them out to our people so that they can understand how they will be able to help them. The penetration, of course, of insurance in Kenya is still very low at 2.7, as you said, compared to other markets like South Africa, which has got about 16%. But when you look at between life and general, South African penetration in life business is about 12 or 13%, but for general is still at about 2 or 3%. So it's comparable. In Kenya, the general is about 2% and life about less than 1%, meaning that we have got potential of growth in general in life insurance. General is comparable to other areas. So the potential is on life and not in general. But that does not mean that we still do not need to grow the general business. We still need to, because the economy is still growing, and we expect also more people to take up insurance. So the challenge is on insurance companies to come up with innovations, to come up with products that everybody can access, because they're not too expensive. You see, the challenge in the market is that most products are a little bit expensive, such that the normal mwananchi is not able to afford them. So we are trying to come up with products that very many people will be able to pay, will be able to take them up, and to help them in future. One good thing about Geminia is that we deal with both life and general insurance. And therefore, we are able to put up a product that covers both of those lines. So we have got several products that we have come up with, which are unique in the market, whereby we are able to put together a product that you cannot find with any other company. And therefore, these products we are able to give out. We are able to give out to the market, and we have seen a lot of people coming up for them, for those products. This motto, which has got life insurance in it. You also have got a personal accident or domestic package with life, embedded with life cover in it. And lately, we have now the TwinSafe. TwinSafe is designed for the populace, because we know that very many people have been having a problem of taking care of their of their people, be it because they are not able to save, or they are not able to to give a decent set off to their to their loved ones. So we've come up with a product that people are able to save, even if it's a small amount of money. They are able to save and access that money, and we guarantee them that they will be able to get guaranteed returns of 8% and over, which is tax-free. We have cover that covers floods. We have covers that covers that kind of an accident that happened at Selena. So we have got political violence covers. The industry has got enough covers to give to cover the risks that are allowed here in this part of Africa. The only challenge is that many people will not think that it would, that kind of a risk will operate, because if they think it will operate, of course they would not have been like that Selena at that time. But you see, a risk is a risk. You don't expect it. We cover that accidental happening of an event that affects your life or affect your property or that kind of a thing. We usually talk to the clients and understand their business and understand also the risk that they are going through. So we're able to give them a customer tailored kind of a product that covers them. Because we know the covers that we are supposed to give, so we will be able to advise the client that you require the fire policy, you require burglary, or any other kind of a policy that is that is important to the client. So with that, we engage the client and we tell them that you need this kind of cover or need this other kind of cover, and we give them a very good solution, according to their need or the risk that they are learning. This market, you only need to come up with products that are tailor-made for the customer needs. That's what we are doing, because we know what this market needs, and therefore we are coming up with products to serve those needs, and we are going out selling to them. So we are creating partnerships with the brokers and agents, and also opening new branches. We opened recently one at Nakuru. We'll open many more, so that we can be there, at the point of contact with the client. That is what we want, and we know that when you have got good products and you have got good distribution channels for this product, you'll get there, because that's what is lacking in this market. People are there to take up insurance, but they want products that serve their needs. We are in Facebook, we are in Twitter, and we are using those platforms to increase our visibility. We are also partnering with other companies like newspapers to educate the populace, our children in schools, that kind of a thing. We have many partnerships that we are doing, to grow or for people to appreciate insurance, from the young people to older people, like that, so that we can increase the uptake of insurance, which is still very low. This year we are looking at a growth, a premium income of about 5 billion, and we sure that we will be able to get that. About the bottom line, it depends with the claims that come through. We are in the business of insurance. The business of insurance is covering risks, accidental risks, which you don't know whether they will operate or not. But we just hope that we will be able to have enough business that we can be able to make some money for the shareholders. You see what happens. The principle of insurance is about growing the numbers. Yeah. When you grow the client base, you are reducing the probability of loss. When you have got fewer clients, your probability of loss is high. So when you grow the base of your clients, you are reducing the probability of loss. That's the principle of insurance. It's the law of large numbers. So we want to grow our business so that we reduce that probability of loss. My part in short is that we at Geminia, we are serious about giving an insurance that is customized, insurance that is different from what has been there, the insurance that will pay and will be at your will help the clients at the point of need when there is a claim.